everybody, Luxinda Swirl here. New day, new cup project. In spite of the fact that I often say I'm not a fan of red, I'm going with red today. We got this in the glitter chimp order I placed recently for all ultrafines. This is a holographic ultrafine, which means it'll be dazzling as a Tack-It glitter, and that's what we're going to do here. So I've already painted this. This is I think it's a 12-ounce doozy. I'm using this today because I have it, and, and I wanted to try the design out without maybe going the whole 30 ounces like I do sometimes. So we're going to start with the Tack-It method. I have stirred together some Ellene's Tack-It over and over glue and some water, approximately 50-50. No magic ratio you have to do, just whatever works for you. Some people put it on straight, some people dilute it more than I have. Just brush it on. You want an even layer all the way around your cup and on the bottom. Then we're going to let this dry. It's usually about 15-20 minutes. And then I'm going to apply another layer, same deal. And I'm going to let that dry another 15 or 20 minutes. And then I'll bring you back and we'll actually put on the glitter. All right. I'll bring you back when the second layer is dry. Okay, we're back. 2 layers applied, dry but tacky. And now we are going to apply our glitter chimp glitter. Okay, here we go. Okay, Tack-It method, 2 or 3 fingers, burnish thusly. Just making it lie flat. Do not worry about streaks and lumps and whatnot. Just, this is when you bring your whole hand into play. As I like to say, don't be afraid to rub your glitter. And there we go. Beautiful, nice and flat. Okay, I'm going to seal this on with a layer or 2 of Rust-Oleum 2X Matte Clear, so it will lose its sparkle temporarily. It'll get it back when we put the resin on. I'll bring you back for adding the layer of resin, and then we'll move on to the next step. So stay tuned. And we're back. All right, this turned out really, really nicely. Nice finish, gorgeous red glitter. So I have already taken the cup outside and done a little bit of sanding. I sanded a little bit of the shine off, obviously, when I sanded the epoxy, so that'll come back under the next layer of epoxy. And I sanded just a bit of the red glitter down so that it shows as silver, and that's actually okay too, because this is gonna have kind of a, I don't know, vintagey vibe to it. So the next thing we're gonna do, or I'm gonna do, and you're gonna watch me do, is put on some pinstripes. I was hoping I had some washi that would work for this, but after trying a bunch of it, holding it up to the cup, I didn't like how it looked. It was too fat because I want to put a graphic here, and this cup isn't very big. So I asked the Cricut to cut the vinyl 10.5 inches, because that'll give me more than enough to go all the way around, by 0.15 inches. So that's what the width is on this, 0.15 inches. Now I get to do that on the bottom. Alrighty, now I have a decal to put on. Let's see. I am going to use the graphic where the seams are, which means I need to be opposite the seams for my vinyl. Let's see here. So that's pretty good. Again, I'm hoping you can see and I can still do this. Here's our vinyl. It says, "Life is short, buy the dress." Again, I am eyeballing it. I do not do the measure twice, cut once. Because I'm lazy. I'm the lazy artist. We know this. There we go. I missed a smidgen here. Life is short by the dress. Huh. I thought I got around. There we go. All right. Okay. There's my vinyl. Now I turn it back around to where the seams are and I put my decal on. The seam is right here and right here. They're not exactly in the same line, but close enough. This is the Mito printable vinyl, which I absolutely love. It's glossy. It holds so much detail and it's really durable. Doesn't need to be sealed. Holds up better when I try and reposition. So, here we go. Like that. And that's one of the reasons I wanted to put this where the seams are, is because it kind of sort of covers, it overlaps at both ends. Okay. There. That is beautiful. She's lovely, isn't she? Life is short, folks. Buy the dress. All right. So now I am going to put a little UV resin around everything, stick it out in the sunshine to make sure it's sealed on there good and tight and doesn't lift. And then I'm gonna put a layer of resin on it, probably with Marabou Rainbow alcohol ink in it, because I love it. I love the effect, I love the look. And we'll do a coat of resin over and then we'll go outside for the big reveal in the sunshine. Stay tuned.